Network security is the fortress protecting the digital world. Welcome back to Cyber Warriors HQ. Now that you understand how data moves, we need to talk about how we keep it from falling into the wrong hands. I'm Cypher. In this lesson, we're moving past basic connection to the layers of security that defend our infrastructure every single day. We'll cover everything from firewalls and encryption to specialized tools like IAM, PAM, and SIEM monitoring. Security starts at the perimeter. Think of firewalls as the gatekeepers of your network, filtering traffic based on strict security rules. But if a wall is breached, encryption is your last line of defense, ensuring that even if data is intercepted, it remains unreadable without the proper keys. Beyond the network itself, we must control who has access. This brings us to Identity and Privileged Access Management, or IAM and PAM. These frameworks ensure that users have the right access to the right resources at the right time, while strictly guarding administrative privileges. We also need to protect the devices themselves. That's where endpoint detection and response tools like EDR and MDR come into play. Finally, all this activity is logged and monitored by SIEM. It aggregates data to help security teams detect and respond to threats in real time. To summarize, network security is a multi-layered approach involving perimeter defense, identity control, and continuous monitoring. You now have a high-level view of the security landscape. Next time, we'll dive deep into the specific threats these tools are built to stop. See you then.